Hey there, tea enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're spilling the tea on one of nature's best-kept secrets, hibiscus tea. If you're curious about the wonders of this enchanting brew and its hidden benefits, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll uncover the secret behind hibiscus tea and why you should make it a part of your daily routine. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our delightful tea journeys. Let's dive in. Hibiscus tea has been cherished for centuries for its vibrant color and refreshing taste. But the real magic lies in its rich nutritional profile. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, this ruby red elixir offers a host of health benefits that will leave you amazed. Antioxidants are superheroes for your body, and hibiscus tea is brimming with them. These powerful compounds help combat free radicals, protect your cells from damage, and support overall well-being. Sip on hibiscus tea to give your body a daily dose of natural defense. Your heart will love you for drinking hibiscus tea. Studies have shown that it may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, promoting a healthy heart and reducing the risk of heart-related issues. Keep your ticker happy with a daily cup of this heart-loving tea. Feeling bloated or sluggish? Hibiscus tea can come to the rescue. Its natural properties may aid in digestion and support gut health. Say goodbye to tummy troubles and hello to a happy belly with hibiscus tea in your teacup. Stay hydrated and add a twist of flavor with hibiscus tea. Unlike sugary beverages, this tea is naturally sweet and calorie-free, making it an excellent alternative to quench your thirst. Sip it hot or iced. The choice is yours. Prepare to tantalize your taste buds. Hibiscus tea offers a delightful balance of sweet and tangy notes, making it a refreshing and enjoyable beverage for any time of the day. Trust us, you'll be sipping on it non-stop. Let's take a quick look at the nutrition facts of hibiscus tea. With zero caffeine and an abundance of vitamins and minerals, it's a guilt-free indulgence that nourishes your body from within. And there you have it, the secret behind hibiscus tea. A powerhouse of antioxidants, heart health support, and delightful flavor. Don't miss out on the countless benefits of this nature's gift. Make it a part of your daily routine and see the positive impact it can have on your well-being. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow tea lovers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tea-spirational content. Until next time, steep your way to good health with hibiscus tea.